Hello. Good evening, everybody. Once again, this is Kurt Jurgens, better known as Rules Crypto, doing another artifact for the Study Buddy program ran by Michael Modig. And first of all, it is my topic for the day is again under the Engage column, attend Catalyst Town Hall meetings, and it is in the Proposal Assessor Central Tasks list. I'm just going to run a quick clip just to add it into the video, and I will mute my microphone so that way everybody can hear it clearly, hopefully. And here we go. I'm just going to run this real fast and then we'll get back to it.
I'm part of the Cardano from Buenos Aires, Argentina. I'm part of the Cardano AAM group and hereby presenting the closure report of our Fund 7 Proposals Mentor Marketplace continuation proposal. This proposal basically looks to create a marketplace, a platform to connect people within the Catalyst ecosystem, trying to help proposals to create better proposals in order to make them more impactful, more understandable, and therefore making them more acceptable by the voters, and later create further impact on the community and the ecosystem. When we created this proposal in F7, we joined forces with another proposal, which is the Easy Members Engagement proposal. With Yoram, we found that we have many synergies, and we decided to merge these two proposals, aiming to extend the proposal's life cycle towards the easing the new members onboarded into Catalyst by generating jobs opportunities, collaboration opportunities out of funded proposals. So in order to create that extension, and after our Fund 6 proposal and platform being created, we set out on this Fund 7 to create a better infrastructure, more scalable, more dynamic, that allow us to test more rapidly, create more insights, and provide better functionality to our users. So part of that is creating a different infrastructure from what we were set up on the first proposal, as it was more kind of a traditional type of infrastructure. We were using Dockers and virtual machines, and that made, even though the marketplace and the platform works, it created all sort of delays and efforts required to maintain, operate that platform. So the first thing that we propose in this Fund 7 is to create a better platform, more easily to extend. And in order to do that, we change our architecture quite a bit. The first thing that we created is a new architecture based on.
Okay. So, what have I learned from attending these town hall meetings? First of all, it is a great way to learn about all the up and coming projects being built on Cardano. It seems to me, or the basic thing that I learned behind the town hall meetings, is for anyone or team who has proposals on idea scale can attend these meetings and basically show and tell about their project and what they are trying to gain, or why they are trying to gain funding, or what they're trying to gain funding for. Any existing projects, kind of like the one that you just saw, that have updates, or new projects or new proposals on Cardano idea scale that they are applying for new funding for. How I could use that is by keeping updated with projects. It will help me to assess them later on. The more information I have, of course, I will be better well-rounded and more informed. so that when their proposal comes up, I will have a better understanding of their project as a whole. The questions I have now are: where would one go to apply to be a part of the weekly town hall meetings? Also, is there a list of projects that don't or can't attend the town hall meetings? And then, of course, my 5 keywords are attending Project Catalyst town hall meetings. Thank you, everybody, for taking a listen, and I will see you again soon. Take it easy.